Hello guys, how are you? I'm happy to be here again with you. In this tutorial we are going to deploy an HSB in Websphere Application Server, and then we are going to create an enterprise uh, project with HSB project and a web application project, and we are going to call our HSB stateless, and then we are going to create an other project, and we are going to call in a remote way at this the same HSB. There, let's start. First of all, we need to create a HSB project. So this is a HSB project. Then okay, no, finish. Then we need to create a web dynamic web. This is the name B web project, and then next generate. Okay, let's create our bin. First we need a packet. Okay, let's create a HSB session bin stateless, call it my HSB. We need to create a remote and local. We are not use remote, but we are going to create. I'm going to explain in the following steps. Okay, finished. Now we need to create a servlet to call a new package. First, com rbg hsbs test. Okay, then we are going to create a a servlet. Let's create a servlet, call it controller. Oh my god. Finished. Let's call our HSB. Let's use the attribute bin name, and then yes, my HSB. Okay, let's create a private. Let me do something. Tururu. So I'm going to go my local HSB. It's okay. My local HSB. Let's remove this and create a message from local project. So let's use this writing. Yes, we need something here. Let's remove this. Let's name here the same name. Okay, let's create a method. Creating. Okay, it's empty. It was empty. The same here. Then we need to add the method and change, create a message. Since was this is okay, and then we have to return the controller, and we need okay. Then we are going to create another project. This project ABC BC Air project. Let's just pick up these two. Let's clean and then start the server. So then let's deploy the application, and now it's running. It's here. Let's open our this in a local let's create our B project controller. Okay, it's working. So let's check. We have a HSB in a HSB project. We have a web project. Both are in a ER file. So now we are going to call this guy. We are going to call from another project. Is out from this project. Let's create another project, and let's create a web dynamic project, ABCD web project. So let's go here, create a descriptor. Finally, let's create. Okay, let's add the project HSB. Okay, so let's create a servlet that HSB remote. Okay, finished. And then we are going to create a servlet controller. Finished. Let's move this. Okay. Let's call this is very important, guys, because in Websphere we don't need to call our AJB in a remote way. I mean my AJB local, my remote AJB. Okay guys, let me explain you. Do you remember that in other video we create, I use WebLogic application server version 12, and when we call a remote, we need to call a HSB since a different project inside the same server. We use a remote, and we use the attribute lookup, but WebLogic recognize all if our HSB is in the same server, is going to recognize in every project. It doesn't matter if the HSB is not in the same project. It's going to recognize. Let me show you that this work. And let me create a new message from another project. I spent around 4 hours trying to do this, and it was surprising for me that this approach works properly. Okay, that's okay. Controller. Oh, controller. Okay guys, this is from another project. We can call in WebLogic application server a local HSB in another project in the same way as a local. See you guys. Thank you for watching.